and welcome back to our channel. If you are joining us for the very first time, you are so very much welcome. Please welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and tap the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video or a new recipe, you are notified on the same. So today we're going to be cooking chapati za karoti, or chapati made of carrots. So let's go straight to our ingredients. So our ingredients today are very simple. We are going to be needing our all-purpose flour. Here I've used 3 cups of flour. Then I'm going to be needing our grated carrot. Here is our grated carrot. And then we need our salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we need our cooking oil and a bit of some flour to dust our surfaces when we are rolling. And then we need some warm water, not hot, not cold. Some warm water. So let's get started. And now we're going to add in our salt, our flour, just like that, and sugar. And our sugar like that. Then we're going to take in our carrots also. So with your clean hands, my hands are also clean, I'm going to start making my dough. So I'm going to make a hole here. Little by little. So we're going to make our dough. Add your water little by little. So we're going to knead until our flour is ready and it's no longer sticking on my hands nor my basin. So I'm going to add in my cooking oil and knead until the dough is no longer sticking on my hands nor my bowl. So let's continue kneading. It takes about 10 minutes. So you can see I've been kneading my flour for about 10 minutes now. And you can see it is ready. You can see it is ready because it is no longer sticking on my fingers. They are clean and my bowl is also clean. There is no dust sticking on it. So I'm going to let my dough rest for about 10 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes. Then I'll come back and continue with my process. So I'm going to cover it like that. Let it rest. So my flour has been resting for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to make my balls. The ones I'm going to roll my chapatis in. So my hands are clean again. We're going to divide this into three big balls first. So using your knife like that, just cut, then make a big ball like that. Right. Again, make a big ball like that. Like that. So now I'm going to start making the smaller balls. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to dust my surface. Dust my surface. Then roll. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to spread a tablespoon of oil tablespoon and a half. Then smear it on top like that. So I'm going to show you a different style apart from the other one of making the smaller balls. So take your knife and cut like that. So we're going to keep rolling. Now you take one piece like that. And now roll it like that. So take this other end, tuck it in, tuck it like that. That is one of my chapatis. So I've already made my balls, so I'm going to cover it with my kitchen towel and let it rest for about 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to start rolling my chapatis into small circles. So I've already dusted my flour. So I'm going to start rolling. Remember, here in the rolling, don't use a lot of energy because you want to get a good circle. Keep turning it like that. I'm getting a nice circle. So I've already gotten the size that I wanted. So I'm going to put it in my pan so that it can continue cooking. Take another one like that. Dust your flour. So my chapati is in the pan and I'm going to fry it until I see those brown little brown spots, and I can turn it on this other side. Also the little brown spots must occur. Then I can continue frying now with using my oil. So now I'm going to turn my chapatis. You can see those little brown spots that I was talking about. Here they are, the little brown spots. So as for me, I always cook my chapatis 2 at a time. So we'll take another one and it like that. You can see those brown spots. They're there. You can see it is very nice golden brown chapati. So I'm going to keep on cooking. Keep turning so that they can cook evenly on all sides. It's also ready, golden brown. can see the color is very nice. Now none of them has burnt. It is golden brown, just the color I need. So this one is already cooked. I'm going to add another one and keep repeating the process for the rest of your chapatis. So guys, my chapatis are ready. They are looking very golden brown and very yummy. I've already tasted one. It's very delicious. So the system I've told you of making the balls, it makes them come in layers and it's very delicious. You can serve these chapatis with your favorite stew and I tell you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to watch others of my videos in the channel also, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's